Alright, so this is going to be a quick and easy install. Tell me she's not eating without telling me she eating. Let's hop into this wig. I did not take this wig out or anything, so I'm not sure what we have here. It's a 13 by 4 and it's 18 inches. I have it in a small cap size and it's HD undetectable lace. Here we have a scarf. We also have an HD wig cap. We have some subtle lashes. Oh my gosh, I didn't even know they sent these, because normally the lashes be outrageous. So thank you for that. They also sent over a baby hair brush and a little I can't put the words together. Y'all know what this is. So yeah, let's hop straight into this wig. It does look like it's already pre-styled. So that is what the hairline is looking like. Ooh, I'm excited. Look at that. You mean to tell me I'm not going to have to do anything but cut the lace off? Hopefully. It smells like kind of like somebody curled their head, like curlers in a way. Yes. So as you can see, the knots are already bleached. The hairline is already pre-plucked. It's already in a set middle part, and the hair is already curled and looking nice and jiggly. So here is the construction. Like I said, it is a 13 by 4. They give you 2 combs in the front. They also give you a comb in the back with the adjustable straps and a removable elastic band, which has the little grippy piece on it, which I like this feature a lot, because it just makes your wig stay put in the back a little bit. Baby, oh my gosh, like what? Alright, so this is going to be a quick and easy install. Alright, so I went ahead and cut off the lace, and I also adjusted this elastic band. Now I do feel like the sides are a lot too long. Not a bit, but a lot. So I think I'm going to go in and cut those off. I'm going to spray all over just so the lace can melt, because it's just like blending in with my skin as soon as I spray this stuff on here. Wow. Do y'all see how the lace just disappeared? What this is doing, excuse me. Y'all, and you see why I love this? Like, what? So one more time, I'm gonna go in with my It's what I use to contour my forehead. So I'm going to go in lightly with this stuff. Not too much. And then I'm going to go in with this Nairobi, and I'm going to let that set in, and I'm going to put this back on. So while we have that doing what it's supposed to do, I'm going to go in and see what these curls is hitting for, because I know, like, I'm probably not going to want the front. Like, I need something going on in the front area a little bit more tighter. Hey! Move! Alright, y'all, so that's it for this video. But literally, that's it for this video, because this wig was super easy to install. I didn't add any finishing powder or concealer to the part. I did add what was it, like finishing powder, my contour powder, to the lace in the front. But honestly, it really didn't need it, because once I sprayed the spritz on it and put the foaming thing, the styling foam on it, and just like set it, it all just melted. And y'all, do y'all see this? And don't mind my wig cap, because you definitely can see it right here. I don't know, but she is gorgeous. The hair quality, amazing. Tell me this wig is not eating, because it is. Like, this is crazy. Even if I wanted to like pull it up, I could do a little flip. I could, like, she is pretty. Look at that. And this is what she looks like pulled back, just so y'all can get into this hairline. Tell me she's not eating without telling me she eating. This wig though. Alright, so I gotta wear her all day. It is very much late. What time is it? It's 12:41 in the morning. I'm going to go ahead and put a bonnet on her and put my elastic band back on my head. But y'all let me know what y'all think in the comment section. I'm telling you, if you're looking for a good quality wig and a wig that you don't have to put work into, this is it, sis. And you can wear this thing glueless. Holla if you hear me. You can wear it glueless. Like, You don't have to do too much as far as tagging it down. Like I said, I only use spritz. It's not really on there, but it's on there how I need it to be. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's not going nowhere. The part that I was more so worried about is the sides. Alright, y'all, so I wanted to end the video here because it is the next day, and I wanted to show y'all what it looks like up. So I did put it in like a little ponytail, and even the back is like concealed. Y'all let me know. I don't know, but I don't think it's like really, I don't think it look bad. Super cute. I did go ahead and straighten it as well, just to see how it straightens, and she looks so cute. But I do have to take her off so I can do other videos. But I just wanted you guys to see the versatility in this wig, and it does straighten good. I feel like it probably would have straightened better if I washed the wig before straightening it, but I just like went through the curls and just to see. And it's straightened pretty good. I like the little messy ponytail. I didn't want it to be too neat. But she is really cute. Really cute. So like I said, if you are interested in this wig, go ahead and check my description box down below, because it's an easy install and you really don't have to put in a lot of work. The hairline is like this. I did not pluck it. I didn't do anything to it, y'all. And like I said, I did use spritz to lay this down. Even if you wanted to wear it glueless, you could. And even if you wanted to put it up, you see that you can clearly wear this up and it still looks good in the back. She's cute. Like, I have no complaints whatsoever. So yeah, this is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see y'all in my next video.